here is your climate change update for the week because people are literally forgetting that the world is ending. First of all, let's talk about alligator Alcatraz. So this lawsuit against the detention center was filed by environmental groups as well as Native American tribes, arguing that the construction of this facility completely violated federal environmental laws and damaged the Everglades ecosystem. Our queen, Judge Kathleen Williams, agreed with said claims and issued the preliminary injunction, which completely halted any new construction and the transfer of new detainees. This judge also ordered Florida officials to dismantle fencing and lighting of the facility, which will be enforced within the next 60 days. So that is good news. Now, on to some more melancholy news with the Pakistan floods. The worst of the floods seem to be dying down. However, men and women are now flooding into the streets themselves, digging into meters of mud with their bare hands, searching for survivors and family members. This is your reminder that despite the fact that Pakistan is accountable for less than 1% of the world's carbon emissions, the increased rainfall during monsoon season is happening in these areas. Over 2,700 homes have been completely destroyed, and the rapid urbanization and deforestation in rural areas of Pakistan to catch up with our first world countries is killing the environment, reducing their soil's ability to absorb water, and increasing the flood risk and thus the death toll in this tragic event. Third, and your final piece of news is about Norway oil. So Greta Thunberg joined a major extinction rebellion these past couple of days, which is blocking Norway's largest oil terminal and other locations in Oslo, and they're demanding a rapid and just phase out of the country's fossil fuel industry. So for those who don't know, despite the fact that us, like in America, are looking over to Europe and thinking, wow, Europe is so clean energy and whatever, the reality is European oil still monopolizes and has blood on their hands by contributing to the global death and destruction of other countries through its oil exports. And the Norway government, as well as other European countries, are still facilitating this under the guise of financial security of said oil companies. And so they've sat in for 36 hours and demanding a stop to this. So that is all for this week and today. Stay safe out there. Remember to conserve, remember to reuse, recycle, all that. Love you, bye.